Welcome to the Viridis Pocketbook demonstration. Here we are going over the green Pocketbook application, and we are going to look at some of the functions that this application can do and how it can help your company. ViridisChem Pocketbook is supported by the most comprehensive toxicity database available in the industry. We have over 45 chemical and toxicological properties. We show regulatory concerns, GHS and NFPA scores pictorially, and you can expand the GHS section for full GHS clarification and factors, hazards, and warnings. You can hover over properties on the left side to see a description of what the property is, and hover over properties on the right side to see where these properties are coming from, such as industry standard tools like EpiSuite and HSDB, chemical database, the hazardous substances database. Our scores are shown graphically on this graph to the right, and they allow you to compare chemicals visually in an easy to understand format. You essentially can get a quick look and see how these chemicals fare. For the example that we have brought up here, you can see here that zinc formaldehyde sulfoxylate, which is a case study that we have done, is more toxic than the alternatives that have been investigated as part of the case study. Our scores are based on 44 different endpoints. The bigger the area, the more toxic the chemical. The scores are normalized from 0 to 4 and averaged using a geometric mean. For corporate licenses, the product can be customized to assign weightage to individual scores in case your company is more interested in, for instance, the acute health score or chronic health score over the special score or reactivity score. In addition, corporate customers can also supply their own algorithms for scoring. We also allow customers to search for and essentially estimate on the fly their proprietary chemicals. And we can do this by securely integrating it with your systems within your own firewall. So here is an example of this. So let's pull up an example structure. For instance, acetaminophen, Tylenol. And then say we wanted to compare it to a contrived example here, but we wanted to compare it as if it was a new molecule. So we're going to load up Tylenol again, but here we're going to change this carbon at the end into a hydroxyl group. So now the new molecule estimation is running. This is not hitting our database. This is estimating these properties in real time. And so none of this information, none of the structure is not submitted to ViridisChem. So here you can quickly see between known molecules and the novel molecules that you want to estimate, or between novel molecules or pretty much anything you want to throw at the system, what the breakdown is, how they compare toxicologically. In addition to this, we also allow you to do advanced searches to really drill down and get information on the chemicals and the factors that you want to evaluate. So for instance, let's say that we wanted to find a chemical that has a sulfonic acid functional group but does not have an amine group. And we also wanted to make sure that the boiling point is at least 200 degrees Celsius. So here you can search in our database and get a list of alternates that match these criteria. And as you can see here, we have a very powerful search functionality, and using it you can get pretty complicated combinations of chemicals. Thank you.